How much is it to rent the machine then? 250 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, 2,000.
2,000 Ghana cedis. Dimples, I am signing in. Family, in the previous video I showed you where they, we've got the video on this channel where they actually dig the quarry sand and stones from. Today, something else I need to build this house is cement blocks. So we are going to go inside and find out all about cement blocks, because you need blocks to build almost every part and every stage of the building. So let's go inside and find out some more about prices and maybe the different types of blocks and quality they have on offer. Let's go, family. So I was just greeting the owner. So first, as you can see just ahead of us, we've got some different types. So these look very familiar from that previous video on the channel. You can check it out if you haven't. I'm Brian, try it. Oh, we try, Brad. Oh, yeah, Jmawa. And yeah, me no church me munya oh yeah. So better me So over here, guys, you can see this is what they call quarry sand. So it's from where we went previously, but it's grinded afterwards. When they get the stone, they grind it and it becomes sand. So this can also be used to make the blocks that we are talking about. But another thing that can be used to make the blocks is a different type of sand. And that's this sand here. As you can see, this sand is not as quality as the quarry sand. So you can tell there's a difference in color, there's even a difference in texture. So the quarry sand is typically used for sometimes you want to cast a concrete, or if you're building a house in an area that's really waterlogged, then you need the quarry sand to really give it that firm foundation, that concrete foundation. Whereas if you use this type of sand for your this type of sand for the blocks, it's not going to be as strong and as quality as you want it to be. And then just next to this pack of sand here, we also have the quarry stones, which we are very familiar with. And again, the stones can be used to create concrete. If you want a hard, solid foundation, these are your quarry stones. So in a minute, I'm going to try and find out how much each one is. But let's head over here. I can see there's some work going on over there. I want to just find out what this work is all about. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, madam.
Tacho, what's going on here? It's a school. You're building a school. Wow. So how long has this been going on? And chair, yeah.
It was a scansion and the system into the
Okay. Roughly how long do you think this project will take to finish? Oh, okay. Are you a mason?
Yeah, I'm an operator.
Oh, he's an operator. Operate this machine here. What's this machine? Can you tell us about it? Let's go close to it. What's this machine?
Concrete mixture.
Concrete mixture.
Self-loader.
Self-loader. What do you use concrete for?
Concrete, one him say, you better mix a bore, ania, cement, then as for self-loader. No, the pedigree they say you so good in man, self-loader. No, what if you? When the pedigree now mix it, no issue. Back at here, fix it. The back is here and we say, now I put the way, then the left to the apostle.
Okay.
We never left it in the apostle.
Okay, so sand, stone, water, it mixes it. And then you operate it for it to be carried up, and you just use it to help you build. Wow! So look at that bucket. This is an interesting bucket.
We are not concrete. If you go and I left here,
yeah.
We have never mounted.
So this is the bucket that they pour everything into to help them mount it to the top. Wow! Good work. Do you charge a lot of money?
No. Like that,
it's not too much money. How much do you charge? Do you charge daily?
Yeah.
To come and help us build our house. How much do you charge?
Oh, you're ready to no answer.
Me person who estimate.
Oh, estimate in your office no. You buy a fence.
So a day, if I want to build a single room, a day will be say.
Yeah, build a single room.
Okay, you build big stuff. Okay. Oh, so you rent the machine. How much is it to rent the machine then? 250 Ghana cedis. So you rent the machine and then I take it where I need and you come and operate it for us.
For you pay for us too.
I pay for the workers as well. How much do you charge?
90 cedis for each.
For a day? How many workers does it take to operate that?
The operators.
Yeah.
If it is tall, 4 operators. If it is down, then 2 operators.
So if it's a story building, 4.
4 operators.
Low level, 2. And it's 90 cedis each operator. And then this alone is 250 Ghana cedis. Wow.
And it depends on the place we are going to and the transport.
Okay. It depends as well.
The place we are
It's good business, isn't it?
Oh, it's good.
It's very good business. Who owns this? Is it yours?
No, it's for them BE construction.
If I want to buy this machine, how much?
Okay, actually, 470, 480.
480,000
Yeah.
Ghana cedis.
Yes.
For this?
Yes.
480,000, or do you mean 48,000 Ghana cedis?
It's not 48,000 Ghana cedis. 470, 480 million.
Million, you're talking million, ain't it? 48,000 Ghana cedis. They're talking about the old currency. In the new currency, it's 48,000 Ghana cedis or 47,000 Ghana cedis, which is about 6,000 pounds. About 6,000 pounds, 48,000, 47,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, and it's good money. Yeah, so maybe I should buy one. Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you.
Down for B, Opera Square.
Okay, there's some Opera Square. That's where you bought it.
Yeah.
Opera Square in Accra. In Accra, so you can buy it in Ghana.
Our branch is at Sapema.
Sapema. If you need this man here and you want him to come and operate one for you, go to Sapema.
Down for B.
And what do we ask for? What's your name?
Isaac.
Isaac Abojise means mustache. Isaac Abojise.
Add your number to it. Oh, the number is 0545 919041.
Okay. Did you get that?
0543 58 1923.
Okay, 1923. Okay. Thank you very much, Ike. Nice talking to you. Contact him if you need his services, okay? Say hello to Ike and tell him Akua said hi too. Thank you, Ike. Nice getting to know you. Let's go find out the cost of the actual sand and the blocks, isn't it? Let's go talk to the woman about the price of the blocks. Guys, this is the owner of this whole place. Selling blocks, you know, he's rich.
Wow, I'm not rich.
You are rich.
I'm managing, you know.
You are rich. How is the business? Yeah.
cement is from 45, 46, 47, 48.
Cement price is 45 Ghana cedis.
Cities, 46 per bag.
One bag of
50
cement.
kilo of bag. 50 kilos of bag of cement. 45 Ghana cedis. We have 48, we have 40, 47, etc., etc.
Wow.
I'm telling you honestly.
One cement bag.
One cement bag. Now block, 6 inches block is 4 cedi 50 pesos each.
One 6-inch block is 4 cedis 50 pesos. What kind of sand? Is it the quarry block or the
quarry blocks is 4 cedi 50 pesos. The sand block 3 cedi 50 pesos.
Jesus?
My gracious.
That's why you are rich.
No, I'm not rich because now the materials is very, very costly. You see the trip of stone?
Yeah.
2,000.
So that pile of stone,
2,000.
2,000 Ghana cedis.
2,000 Ghana.
How much do you get from it? What's your profit?
My profit is only, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis.
Hey!
You listen, when I get 200 Ghana cedis from each trip of this,
The
that's
stone.
about, I used to buy about 10 trips. So 200 times 10.
That's 2,000.
All right.
So you do 10 trips a day?
Not a day, at least, let's say 2 weeks.
Okay, so every 2 weeks you do 10. Okay, let's say in a week, how many trips will you do?
In a week, I do, let's say in a week, I do like 4 trips.
4 trips. And you get 200 each. So 800 Ghana
All
cedis.
right.
That's just one stone.
A week.
What about the sand?
A week. The sun, the sun, I get about, let's say, 120 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, okay. So if someone wants to open a business like this, would you recommend it?
Oh, I would recommend the person to do it because if you have a good management,
Yes.
yeah, you can do it. But all depends upon capital. You have to invest.
Invest a lot at the start.
At least you start like at least when you have about 30,000 or 40,000 Ghana cedis, you can start.
You start with 30,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah. 300.
That's about 400 pounds. Oh no, hold on, 30,000. That's about 4,000 pounds.
All right. Almost.
Okay, wow. So 4,000, 5,000 pounds will get you started.
Then you started.
And what do you need? You need just land.
You need land like 2 plots, buy the machines. The machine will cost you, let's say 9,000.
9,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, before you get the machine.
Okay, which machine? What's the machine called?
This type of machine.
Ah, the cement maker.
Yeah,
Okay.
block molding machine.
Block molding.
Machine,
Okay.
yeah. But we have the Chinese one. We have the industrial one. That one also is very good. If you get that one, you make more profit.
Okay.
But it costs about $6,000.
$6,000
before you get the machine.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So that can be expensive.
It's very, very expensive. I wanted to buy, but I want to, manage this one for some time. Then I'll buy that one.
Okay. Wow.
This is the machine.
So that's the machine.
Yeah.
Meti fufu, my Brazil team.
Africa Queen Fufu, made from 100% fresh plantain, so you can taste the pure flavor of real good fufu.
Aping dada. Food is ready.
Let's dig in. Africa Queen Fufu, experience the true flavor.
Africa Queen Fufu no. Brodiats nimu.
Available in all Afro-Caribbean grocery stores.
Okay. Wow. Hey, let me not touch.
Put the light on. Then, let's see.
Okay, and it makes the blocks.
Yeah, you put this mode on the machine, then you switch it on. It will vibrate.
Okay, so that's the mode.
That's
Hey,
the mode.
heavy stuff.
Yeah, come and put it on.
Hey, hold on. Hey, wow, this is manpower.
Yes.
And then you pour the liquid mixture in.
Put everything inside. You vibrate it this way. Vibrate the sand inside. The sand will sit. Then you press it 2 times. You remove it.
And then it becomes an actual block.
Solid.
Wow. And how much do you sell the one block? You said 450.
4 cedi 50 pesos, but this type is 3 cedi 3 cities. This one is 4 cities each.
4 cities for one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see? Very solid. And this one, the big one,
Yes.
this
4 cities, 50 pesos for the big one.
Yes.
Oh wow, nice talking to you. You've told me a lot about the business.
Yes, the business is good.
Good business.
Yes.
Is there competition? Are there lots of people doing it?
Yeah, a lot of competition, but all will depend how you see the quantity that the quality that you want.
Yes.
Yeah, I sell my blog with quality.
Quality.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you buy my blog and you send it to your site, you use it, you come back. Yes, because the hammer that you use to break the block.
Yes.
If the hammer is not strong like this one, the hammer will break.
Okay.
Because the block is
Because it's quality you are selling.
yeah, you see, this hammer also break.
Oh wow. So you
use this hammer to clean the machine.
okay.
But if you are a bricklayer and you don't have good hammer, you change hammer at least 4 or 5 hammer before you use it.
Yeah.
Because our block is
It's very strong. So if someone wants some of your quality blocks, where can they find you?
You can find me here.
What's this area called?
Here is called, let's see, Accra Compost. Accra Compost Road. Modest Block Factory.
Modest Block Factory in Ajen Kotoku. Right. Come. And what's your name?
Our telephone number is
Yes.
0244618014
Okay.
or 0270618014.
Okay. And if you're not in Ghana yet, the code is
The code is-
00233.
All right.
But I'll write the number below. So
good.
give him a call. Order it from abroad. He'll get people to deliver it for you. Okay? Thank you very much. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Alaji Isa.
Alaji is hey, when someone's called Alaji means they are rich. Oh. Thank you, Alaji. God bless you. And I hope your business continues to flourish. Thank you, Alaji. Family, our conversation with Alaji did not end there. This knowledgeable man went on to talk to us more about the top 5 businesses in Ghana and gave us real life examples of people he knows who have lived in a diaspora and the do's and don'ts when you want to move back to Ghana. Stay tuned for part 2 because trust me, I learned so much and I know you will too. But until next time, click the like button, let me know what you thought, and I'll see you very soon. Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Akua Dimples. I am signing out.
Thanks, made it.